Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Math Revision Classes by Karthik sir. Now let us complete the pair of linear equations in two variables chapter. Today we will going to discuss equations reducible to linear equations in two variables and some of the word problems. So let's begin. Let us take up this question. Question says 2 over root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equals to minus 1. We need to solve this two linear equations. Sorry, these two equations, these are not linear equations, but these can be easily converted into linear equations in two variables. Let's see how we can do that. Here what we'll do, we'll put 1 by root x is equals to u and 1 by root y equals to v. So the equations now become 2u plus 3v equals to 2 and 4u minus 9v equals to minus 1. Let me call this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now we see here that these two equations were not linear equations in two variables, but these two equations, after we have put 1 by root x equals to u and 1 by root y equal to v, these two equations are linear equations in two variables. Now we can easily solve these two equations by any of the methods. Let me apply elimination method to solve these two linear equations in two variables. So for elimination method, we will multiply the first equation by 4 and the second equation by 2. So let's multiply. Multiply first equation by 4 and second equation by 2. So we'll get 8u plus 12v equals to 8, and secondly we will get 8u minus 18v equals to minus 2. Now on subtracting these two equations, the signs will change. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So 8u minus 8u, this will get cancelled. 12 plus 18, this will give me 30v equals to 10. 8 plus 2, v becomes 1 by 3. Now we have found the value of v. Using any of the equations, we will try to find out the value of u. So let me take a first equation. So 2 times u plus 3 into 1 by 3, that is v, equals to 2. This gets cancelled. 2u becomes equals to 1. U comes out to be 1 by 2. So we have easily found the values of v and u. U is 1 by 2 and v is 1 by 3. Now we can just equate these to these equations, that are 1 by root x equals to u and 1 by root y equal to v, in order to find the values of x and y. Let's see how we can do that. So I need to rub this off. So our 1 by root x is u. So I'll put 1 by root x equals to 1 by 2. So root x becomes equals to 2, or on squaring I'll get x is equals to 4. Similarly, 1 by root y is equals to v, that is 1 by 3. Root y becomes equals to 3, so y becomes equals to 9. So the solution to the given equations are x equals to 4 and y equals to 9. I hope this is clear to everyone. Let's take up some more examples in order to understand it better. Okay students, let's take up another question. Question is solve for x and y 10 over x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equals to 4 and 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equals to minus 2. Now again, these two equations are not linear equations into variables. We will convert them into linear equations into variables by taking certain substitutions. So we will substitute 1 by x plus y as u and 1 by x minus y as v. Let's see. Put 1 by x plus y equals to u and 1 by x minus y equals to v. So the equations will become now 10u plus 2v equals to 4 and 15u minus 5v equals to minus 2. Let me call this as first and this as second. Now again I will use elimination method in order to solve these two equations. So let's multiply first by 15 and the second equation by 10. We are eliminating u by multiplying first equation by 15, the coefficient of u in the second equation, and the second equation by the coefficient of u in the first equation, that is 10. So this becomes 150u plus 30v equals to 60, and secondly it becomes 150u minus 50v equals to minus 20. So on subtracting, the signs will change, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. 150u gets cancelled. 30 plus 50, it will be 80v equals to 80. So v comes out to be 1. Now since we have found it to be 1, we can put in any of the first and second equation in order to get the value of u. So let us find the value of u. 10u plus 2 times of 1, that is v, equal to 4. 10u equals to 4 minus 2, that is 2. U becomes equals to 1 by 5. So we have found the value of u and v. Now we will put in these two substitutions, that is 1 by x plus y will be equals to 1 by 5 and 1 by x minus y will be equals to 1, that is v. Let's solve it further. So my 1 by x plus y is u, that is 1 by 5. So we get x plus y equals to 5. Let's call it equation number 3. And 1 by x minus y equals to v, that is 1. So x minus y equals to 1, that is equation number 6. Now let us subtract these two equations. We can easily eliminate x. So or else we can add these two equations to eliminate y. So let's add these two equations, that is pretty simple. X plus y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to 1. Let's add these two equations. 2x, this will get cancelled, equals to 6. X becomes equals to 3. Now we got x equals to 3, we can put it in any of the equations to now to get the value of y. So 3 minus y equals to 1, or y is equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So the solution is x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. I hope this is clear to everyone. You can pause the video and note it down. Okay, now let's take some of the word problems. Okay students, let's take up this question. The question says, Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of current. Okay, so there are two things which we need to find here. So let's assume these two things by x and y. So let the speed of rowing in still water be x kilometers per hour, and let the speed of current be y kilometers per hour. Now, since we have taken the speed of rowing as x kilometer per hour and speed of current as y kilometer per hour, our speed upstream will become x minus y kilometer per hour against the current, and speed downstream will become x plus y kilometer per hour, that is in favor of the current. Okay, now we can use this information. It says 20 kilometers downstream in 2 hours and 4 kilometers upstream in 2 hours. So we have two equations. (20 kilometers downstream). So distance upon speed 20 kilometers and speed downstream is x plus y. This happens in 2 hours. We can cancel out here. 2 ones are 2 tens are. So x plus y becomes equals to 10. This becomes our equation number 1. Now it says upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. So 4 upon x minus y equals to 2. Again we can cancel out here. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4. X minus y becomes equals to 2. This is our equation number 2. So we have got two equations, x plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 10. X plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 2. So we can easily add these two equations in order to eliminate y and get the value of x. So let's add these two equations. So we'll get x plus y equals to 10 and x minus y equals to 2. On adding, I'll get 2x equals to 12. X is equals to 6. Since I've got x equals to 6, y will be equals to 4. So the speed of rowing is 6 kilometers per hour and speed of current equals to 4 kilometers per hour. So this is the solution to this question. Now let's take up some more questions. Alright students, so let's take up another question. Question says that 2 women and 5 men can together finish a work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 man alone and 1 woman alone to finish the work. So again we need to find two things, the time taken by 1 man alone to finish the work and time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work. Let's take these values to be x and y. So let time taken by 1 man to finish the work equals to x days, and time taken by 1 woman to finish the work equals to y days. Now if we take x days as the time taken by one man to finish the work, then his 1 day work will be 1 by x. And similarly, 1 day's work of one woman will be 1 by y. So we can easily form two equations. It says 2 women and 5 men can together finish a work in 4 days. So 2 times of one woman's work in 1 day, that is 1 by y, plus 5 times of one man's work in 1 day, that is 1 by x, is equals to 1 days of work. So the total work is completing in 4 days, so 1 day's work is 1 by 4. Again I repeat, 2 times the work of 1 day by one woman, that is 1 by y, plus 5 times the 1 day's work of one man. Together they are finishing in 4 days. So this will be equal to the 1 day's work. 1 day's work will be 1 by 4. Now let's write this equation in a simplified form, that is 2y. Let me write x first. So 5 by x plus 2 by y equals to 1 by 4. This becomes our equation number 1. Now similarly we can use the other case. Other case says that 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. So 3 times one woman's work of 1 day plus 6 times one man's work of 1 day will be equals to 1 by 3. So this equation will become 6 by x plus 3 by y equals to 1 by 3, equation number 2. Now we see that these two equations formed are not linear equations in 2 variables, but we can convert them into linear equations in 2 variables by taking 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v. So we will do that. Put 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v. You may note down this much. I need to rub the left hand side in order to complete the solution. So now the equations will become 5 times u plus 2 times v equals to 1 by 4. Let me call this as equation number 3. And 6 times u plus 3v equals to 1 by 3, equation number 4. Now again we can solve this using elimination method. So let's eliminate here v. So I'll multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 2. So on multiplying I'll get 15u plus 6v equals to 3 by 4 and 12u plus 6v equals to 2 by 3. Now let's subtract these two equations. On subtracting, the signs will change. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. These two will get cancelled out. 15 minus 12, it will be 3u equals to 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Now let's solve this further. We have 3u equals to, let us take the LCM of 4 and 3, so that will be 12. This will become 9 minus 8. So 3u equals to 1 by 12, or u is equals to 1 by 36. Now since you have got the value of u, you can use any of the third and the fourth equation in order to get the value of v. So let's take up the third equation to get the value of v. Five times of u, that is 5 by 36, plus 2v is equals to 1 by 4. 2v equals to 1 by 4 minus 5 by 36. Taking LCM, 36 is the LCM. 9 minus 5, 2v. 2v equals to 4 by 36. This is cancelable. 4 ones are 4 nines are. Or v is equals to 1 by 80. So we have got the value of u as well as the value of v. So now let's find out the value of x and y. We took x equals to 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y is equals to v, sorry. So I took 1 by x is equals to u and u is 1 by 36. So I got x is equals to 36. And 1 by y was v, v is 1 by 18, so y is equals to 18. So time taken by one man alone will be equals to 36 days and time taken by one woman alone will be equals to 18 days. Since we have taken x as the number of days in which one man alone can finish the work and y as number of days in which one woman can finish the work. So we can write down here time taken by (36 days) and time taken by one woman equals to 18 days. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. That's it from my side in this video. This completes our pair of linear equations in two variables. Now for any particular question, you can comment out the question. I'll shoot down a separate video for that particular question. Any of the concept is not clear, you can also mention in the comment box. We can have a separate video for that also. So please like the video, subscribe the channel, and that's it from my side. Thank you. Thanks a lot.